Do it. Do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little different kind of video for you. So today is gonna be like my 29/30 week vlog. 29/30th week pregnancy vlog. What I decided to do was, in my third trimester, I'm going to start recording like the weeks leading up to when I give birth. So we're gonna see how this goes. This video is gonna be a little all over the place because I didn't really know how to structure it. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys and just insert the clips as it happens. And then at the end, I'm just gonna talk to you about like my plans for the third trimester. So yeah, we didn't work Monday, so I really didn't do anything Monday, but Tuesday is when we went back to work and I had a promotion ceremony to go to. One of my NCOs got promoted, so I'm gonna insert those clips right here. Hey y'all. All right, so I am currently at one of my NCOs a promotion. She's getting promoted to staff sergeant, and I have her lace here that I'm gonna present to her. Y'all, but this baby kicking my butt, so we trust the end is hot. So I'm finna go out here, and yeah, we're gonna make it do what it do. Show our support. Yeah. I might are you sure? I'm so proud of her. I think she deserves everything that comes to her. She's a great leader, a really great leader. She's always there ready, to talk to someone, yeah, but I'm so proud of her. So once again, congratulations, big staff sergeant, you feel me? Also on Tuesday, my husband and I, we went to this labor and delivery tour. So we got shown like the room that we're gonna be delivering in. And like the mommy and baby room, which is pretty cool. It didn't hit me like I'm really about to have a baby until I walked in the labor room and I seen the baby bed. Oh my gosh, I was like, I'm really about to have a baby. Like, I'm really about to have a baby, like in 10 more weeks. Less than 10 weeks, really. My baby is gonna be here. Jesus Christ. I have to push a human out in less than 10 weeks. Oh my God. But anyways, y'all, yeah, so that's what we did. Like, the labor delivery tour was pretty cool. I was happy because my husband's not gonna be able to bring his PlayStation, so I don't have to worry about that. He's kind of upset about it, but I like it. So yeah, like, I think that's everything that happened Tuesday. Tuesday was a little like jam-packed. So yeah, I think that's everything that happened Tuesday. Right now, I am getting ready. Okay. But I'm getting ready to go to the store. one of, I'm not gonna say one of, but my master sergeant is having surgery today. So I am going to go grab her a get well soon card. I don't know, I might get her like a card and like some flowers or something, you know, just something to let her know that, you know, like we're thinking about her, like we're praying for her, we hope she gets better, all this, that, and the third, you know. She's a great leader, great human. She's an all-around great person. So I want to extend extend my prayers to her, let her know we're thinking about her, things like that. So that's what we have going on today. So I have to go get her card, her flowers. And then I have to drop it off at work. So I have to drop it off at the center because her husband is gonna be there at 1:45 to pick up the cards and everything like that. So that's what we have done for today. Yeah, that's what we have going on today. I have to go downstairs before I leave anywhere. I have to get me a glass of orange juice, and then we are gonna head to the PX. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm here. No, yo. All right, y'all. I am back. One thing, a caramel ribbon crunch. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But can y'all believe I am 30 weeks? Like, the countdown has officially begun. Oh my gosh. In just 10 weeks, I'm going to be holding my little baby. Maybe not even 10 weeks. Maybe like 9. Shit, maybe 8. I'm going to be holding my baby. Oh my god. Yo. It's crazy. But yeah, I just made it to work, and yeah, I'm gonna see what we're talking about. I don't expect us to stay at work too long, because like I said, my NCO just had surgery. So yeah, I don't expect us to stay here too long. It might be like a half day or something, probably not even that. But yeah, what else, y'all? You see, I put concealer on today, and my eyes, like under my eyes, are still dark. And I feel like as my pregnancy progresses, my under eyes get darker and darker, and I hate that. I hate that for me, because why? But well, I digress. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here. See what they talking about. Girl, hold on. Yes, guys, that's the end of my weekly vlog. Didn't really do much leading up to the rest of the week. Like Wednesday, my NCO had her surgery. Thursday we went to work for like an hour, and then Friday we were off. So I didn't really do much, but yeah, that's that. But y'all, I cannot believe, like, I can't believe I'm 30 weeks. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. But so as I said earlier in the video, this is like what I plan on doing for my 3rd trimester. So you guys are gonna get weekly vlogs, like, but if I do something during the week, because like I know this week coming up, all I have is a doctor's appointment. And what's crazy is I didn't even realize I had a doctor's appointment. Something was like, check your portal, like see if you have an appointment. I don't know why. I just was like, let me check my portal, let me see. And I have an appointment Tuesday. I didn't even know. But yeah, so I have an appointment Tuesday, but that's really it. That's all I have. I know this week I plan on ordering some more stuff for her to make sure she has what she needs when she gets here. Like I know I'm gonna order her bassinet this week. I want to order her some more bottles, like the glass bottles. What else? There's a couple of stuff that I still have to get her. Yeah, there's a few things I still have to get her to make sure that she has when she gets here, because I have, all right, so I have the rest of this month, and then I have like the first half of October to make sure she's straight. And then like the second half of October is really just me making sure I got everything I need for postpartum, besides the maternity shoot. So we have the maternity shoot in October, and I think that's it. That's the last thing I have that's really like for her, but for me, but for her, I don't know. But yeah, like that's it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna document my journey weekly on here for you guys, so you guys can come along with me on my 3rd trimester. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record like all my doctor's appointments, like whenever I have doctor's appointments, but because I have a lot of doctor's appointments coming up. It's crazy. The 3rd trimester, it's crazy. But yeah, so that's all I have for you. I mean, please let me know if there's anything that you want to see, me do a video of, down in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new and you made it this far and you're interested in my pregnancy journey, please subscribe, you know. And yeah, that's really it. That's all I have for you guys. Bye.